Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, I did a video. This is my 04 Jeep Liberty. I did a video on taking that out, or at least the surround, this whole surround out, right here. And it's pretty easy. Thinking I needed to get to that to take off this, the grab handle here, which I did a video on as well. Well, I didn't need to take that out to take the grab handle off, but if you want to know how to do that, go check out that video. And I did all this so that I could put that on, which is a phone holder that is not made for this car, but I made it work, and I think it's going to work good. Anyhow, so go check out all those videos if you'd like. But in the midst of that, I did not show how the Jock box or glove box or whatever you want to call it works as far as taking it off. So I thought, kind of after the fact, it's a little bit easier to see everything, I would do this video. So here it is. It's real simple. There's these clips here on the bottom on both sides, and you got these little clippy things here also on both sides. Well, when we got this was kind of just hanging here from the side pieces, and every time you'd open it, it would just kind of fall down here. Well, I don't know if somebody knocked it off or what, or couldn't figure it out, but those just clip right there and right there, and then you're going to push in on these right there and right there, and they're going to ride. Let's go to this side. We have a little bit better video, or a little bit better light. And take that in this notch right here. So pretty simple. I don't know if I can do it one-handed. Can't really get in here with a tripod, and I don't have another person right now. So let's try this. And I'm about to lose my battery. Snap that on. Snap that on. And these push in. That one clipped in on that side. And there you go. Simple as that. Very easy, actually. And so that's how both you would take it out. To take it out, you're going to take these and push in on these on both sides. Yet again, you can't see them very well. But push in on these clips. Come on, light. Pushing on these clips here on both sides, and let that drop, and then pop those off on the bottom. I'm not going to do it again because it's plastic, and the more you do that kind of stuff and mess with it, the more chances it will break. So there you go. We got that on, we got that on, and we got that back together. Yet again, have videos on all of it now. If you need to start pulling your dash apart for any reason at all, or if you just want to be able to mount a cell phone in here a little bit with a little better mechanism. Alright, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.